Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now we discuss about IP exam question paper pattern intermediate first year and second year only for 2020 and 21 academic year. Subject botany. Here total 3 sections are there. Section A and section B and section C. Total 3 sections. In first section A, answer the following questions. Serial number 1 to 10. Very short answer type questions. Each question carries 2 marks. In section A, there are total 10 questions will be there. You have to write all 10 questions. No choice for section 1. First section there is no choice. Each question carries 2 marks. 10 into 2, 20 marks. 60 marks deciding section only section A because there is no choice. Total 10 questions will be there. You have to write 10. Section B. Answer any 6 of the following questions. For section B and section C, there will be choice will be there. So here the second section, total 12 questions will be there. 12. Out of 12, you have to write any 6 question. Here answer any 6 of the following questions. Question number serial number 11 to 22. First section 1 to 10. Second section 11 to 22. These are short answer type questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Here there will be choice. 6 questions will be there. Total 12. You can write any 6 questions. Any 6 you can write out of 12. 6 into 4, 24 marks. Next, section C, that is a third section. Answer any 2 of the following questions. But section C, there will be 4 questions. Question number from 23 to 26. Total long answer questions. So each question carries 8 marks. So here third section or C section, there will be 4 questions. You can write any 2 questions. Any 2 question answers you can write for section C. But here the choice questions will be given only for section B and section C. 50% choice questions will be there only for 2020 and 21 academic year. But here the most important thing for regarding diagrams related to questions. So draw label diagram wherever necessary for short answer questions and long answer questions. For diagram, if it is there for short answer question, that diagram carry 1 mark. I am talking about in section B. Some questions, diagram based questions will be there. Example, describe about various types of chromosomes based on the position of centromere. One question is there. Metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. For those 4 chromosomes if you will draw, you will get only 1 mark because weightage for short answer questions. I am talking about diagrams. For 4 mark question, if diagram is there, for diagram carry only 1 mark. So remaining 3 marks for description only. So here the for short answer questions, wherever diagram will be there, you have to draw compulsory diagram. That too labeled diagram. For short answer question, any short answer question, if the relevant diagram is there, you have to draw the diagram. For example, describe the structure of prokaryotic cell. You have to draw the prokaryotic cell, bacterial cell, 1 mark. So the cell organelle which consists chlorophyll pigment. Describe about cell organelle which consists chlorophyll pigment. Chloroplast diagram, 1 mark. Description, 3 marks. Next, another question. Describe the structure of powerhouses of the cell. That is mitochondria. For example, if you draw the mitochondria, you will get 1 mark. For describing about mitochondria, 3 marks. So for short answer questions, I'm talking about short answer questions. For each question, if the diagram is there, that label diagram 1 mark, but whereas for a description 3 marks will be there. So next, for long answer questions, so long answer questions, there they will give 4 questions. Any 2 questions you can attempt. For diagrams, for long answer questions, 3 mark will be there for 1 diagram. For diagram 3 marks. For description 5 marks if the diagram is there for related question. So what my advice for getting good marks, for getting 60 out of 16 botany subject, either for first year or second year students, you have to focus on diagrams also, because out of 60 marks, it is 60 marks question paper. For 60 marks, 10 marks will be for diagrams only. How 10 marks? For 2 long answer questions, compulsory diagram will be there. For example, second year glycolysis Krebs cycle flow chart will be there. Cycle. For cycle, for example, describe the concept. Here the glycolysis concept is there. Glycolysis pathway. For writing that flow chart, 3 marks. For describing about all 10 steps, 5 marks. So what I want to say, either cycles for second year or for diagrams, there will be 10 marks. For 2 long answer questions, 6 marks weightage will be there for diagrams. For short answer questions, minimum there will be for 7-8 questions, there will be diagram based questions only for botany. So for diagram also, one minimum. So 7 to 8 questions. If you choose the questions diagram based question, compulsory you have to draw the diagram. For few questions, short answer questions, there will not be diagram. For example, write differences between red algae and brown algae. You can write 5-6 differences. No need to draw the diagram. Or write, so economic importance of algae and bryophytes. You can write algae economic importance and bryophytes. Like that, for some short answer questions, there is no diagram. For that, no need to draw the diagram. At that time, if the diagram is not there for short answer question, that is 4 mark question, so for writing total answer, you will get full marks. Especially for IP exam, you have to follow Telugu Academy textbook only. So because that too Telangana State Telugu Academy textbook only. So there are some diagrams in Telugu Academy textbook and NCERT textbook, different diagrams are there. So if you will draw the NCERT or some other private publications books diagrams, you will not get the marks. Marks are not allotted for the different irrelevant diagrams. Only for drawing diagrams you have to practice whatever given in the Telugu Academy textbook, either first year or second year.